Hey, quiet leaders, introverts, and heart-centered entrepreneurs out there. If you've ever felt like traditional sales and client attraction strategies drain you instead of energizing you, this mini masterclass is just for you. Today, we're diving into how your human design energy type can guide you toward effortless, aligned client attraction without burnout, without anxiety, without inauthentic tactics. Let's dive in. So, one of the biggest mistakes I see introverts and heart-centered entrepreneurs make is following strategies that aren't aligned with their energy. Cookie cutter strategies that everyone's spreading out there. When you work against your natural energy, your design, you experience resistance. And when that happens, people don't show up, clients don't show up, sales feel forced, and marketing becomes exhausting. On the flip side, when you work with your energy, attraction feels natural. Sales become conversations, not transactions. And the right people, the right opportunities, the right clients seek you out. So let's break this down by human design type. For you generators and manifesting generators, you thrive when you respond to what excites you, what satisfies you, what brings you peace. So stop forcing outbound strategies. Instead, create engaging content, share those amazing insights, and let people find you. Let them seek you out and initiate conversations with you. For you projectors, your power is in your guidance. Instead of chasing clients, chasing leads, position yourself as an expert through deep, insightful content. This naturally invites the right clients in. And for you manifestors, you're meant to initiate. So instead of waiting for permission or waiting, period, share your bold offers, send personal invitations, and confidently lead those conversations, whether they are sales, marketing, client connection, whatever. And finally, for the rarest of you, the reflectors, you thrive in aligned spaces. So build community, offer personalized services, and only engage with people, with clients that truly feel aligned with you. So I'd love for you to take 5 minutes today to reflect and ask yourself, are your client attraction methods aligned with your human design? If you don't know your type, there's a link in the description to get a free human design chart. And as a bonus, I've also created an energy aligned client attraction guide just for introverts. That link is included as well. So grab your chart, get a copy of the energy aligned client attraction guide, and then drop your type in the comments, and I'll share one personalized tip to refine your strategy. I hope this was helpful. Let me know.